It's the Weather Extreme video for Thursday, March 12th, 2015. I'm James Spann. Wet weather continues. A new surge of rain moving in here today, tonight, and tomorrow. However, we will see drier air before the weekend is over. Water vapor satellite view this morning. Still a moist air mass in place. Still a trough to the west. And again, we're going to turn pretty wet later today, tonight, and tomorrow. Early this morning, that was at 5:01. Note new showers are forming over West Alabama, around Tuscaloosa, Demopolis, and Gordo and Reform. And we'll see rain increasing. Had a nice break in the rain for the northern half of the state last night and this morning, but again, that new surge will be pretty widespread later today and tonight. A little cooler this morning. We had a weak front pass through that lowered the dew points. We've got mostly 50s, Birmingham at 54, but warm air surges north later today, and we'll expect a high up in the low and maybe mid-70s this afternoon. Early this morning, a dense fog advisory for much of East Alabama. That includes Anniston, Gadsden, Talladega, Clanton, and Rockford. We also note there is an aerial flood watch for northwest Alabama, up in the Tennessee Valley, basically from Huntsville west. And then flash flood watches in effect for parts of West Tennessee, West Mississippi, over into Louisiana and Arkansas, pretty much up and down the mighty Mississippi where the heavier rain is expected to fall. There is a marginal severe weather risk later today and tonight for parts of Louisiana and southwest Mississippi. That does not include any part of Alabama. And then tomorrow, some thunder possible, not likely, no severe weather. Overall rain for the next 5 days. It's valid through Thursday morning of next week. Through Tuesday morning of next week, and this is suggesting heavier rains, again, near the Mississippi River, where those flash flood watches are in effect. For our state, additional rains of 1 to 2 inches are likely. That should not create any flooding. All right, model fans, here's the GFS, the 06C run, valid today at 1 o'clock. Again, troughing to the west, rain will be breaking out as the surface low forms just below Lake Charles, Louisiana. Rain should become widespread tonight, and then tomorrow looking pretty wet. Surface low west of the state. And again, we've got the cold air damming, the wedge coming in from the east, and that will bring cooler air in here. If you are in East Alabama, more than likely you stay in the 50s all day. Be very cool. West Alabama will see 60s. For Birmingham and I-65, the high should be close to 60. But because of the cool day tomorrow, that should eliminate any surface-based instability and probably no thunder and certainly no severe weather, but very wet. Now, Saturday as the weekend begins, the weather begins to improve. We'll still mention a chance of lingering showers Saturday morning. The sun might break out Saturday afternoon, and we turn warmer. The high should be in the low 70s, and Sunday looks very nice. We'll call it partly sunny, the high close to 70, and that'll be our first totally dry day in a while. Monday of next week will be dry, lots of sun, the high in the low to mid-70s. Tuesday, a 1041 high is north of the state. That begins to nose in here, so highs will likely drop a little bit, probably mid-60s on Tuesday. And this is Wednesday. We're cool and dry. We start the day in the 40s. The high will be in the 60s. Lots of sun, no rain. A week from today, this is Thursday the 19th. It's a zonal flow across the country. Rain begins to move in from the west, and then the following day on Friday, March 20th, looks pretty wet with a cold front coming in here. And then this is the 21st, that following Saturday. Look at the trough forming over the east, ridging over the west. That's a colder look, and sure enough, a colder air mass drops in here. And that's going to be a pretty good little late-season cool snap. You can see the anomalies suggesting temperatures might be 20 degrees below average over parts of the Tennessee Valley. And again, this is the beginning of that following weekend. This is Saturday, March 21st. You can see that reflected now in the guidance with lows coming down in the upper 30s and low 40s, and that could drop even more. Again, I fully expect another freeze or two before it's all over. So again, it's way too early to plant things. So keep that in mind. We've had a freeze here as late as April 23rd. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. We'll be on the road today down in Greensboro, so it's doubtful we can crank out an afternoon video, but we'll have more forecast notes on the blog later today. And if you can, catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.